It's an aromatic Middle Eastern meatballs today. Join me here at my small kitchen for some learning and fun. For the complete experience, I'll be serving it with Basmati rice. Welcome to Channel Juan. It's where we grow, cook, and share. Hello. We are cooking today something very delicious and aromatic, and it's from the Middle East. It is meatballs. I've tested this when I went to Israel. That's why I think this can be categorized as Lebanon dish. It's common in the Middle Eastern countries. What makes it common among them is the aroma. It's the use of these spices and ingredients. We'll now rewind and I'll show you how I prepare the spices and the ingredients and the earlier steps of preparing it. We need finely chopped cilantro or coriander, as fine as possible, and garlic as well, finely minced. And the rest of the spices now. To give it color and some flavoring, we need turmeric, pepper, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, that's black pepper, and salt in the middle. 1 egg to bind, onion, chopped onion and garlic, and the cilantro which you saw earlier. I forgot to mention about this, the breadcrumbs which I made from old bread. See the description box for the complete ingredients, as well as the replacements. I forgot to mention about the ginger. It's there. I know you won't believe I'm doing this by hand. I will cheat. I'll use the machine. But if you have patience, use your hand. A convenient size would be the size of a small egg. I mean, chicken egg. Like this. Camera off. This gets boring. We need to fry the balls just to braise the surface, to keep them intact. And of course, for more flavor, caramelize. And done in less than 5 minutes. Now let's look at the rest of the ingredients for the stew. You have to listen closely. The list of ingredients can be intimidating, but if you want to give this dish its proper character, its aroma, etc., you have to source all these ingredients. Very generous amount of onion, turmeric, cinnamon bark, beef cube, canned tomato, raisins, carrots, and saffron, which I forgot to show. As in many Indian or Middle Eastern dishes, the spices are stir-fried. That was the turmeric. Now the meatballs. Careful, they might break. This is the tomato, canned tomato, chunks. The cinnamon bark. The beef cubes. And the raisins. And 2 cups of water. I watered down the tomato can, if you notice. and the carrot chunks. You have to boil this for around 2 hours. Simmer it for 2 hours, and I think we are ready for the next additions. Look. Warning, don't taste it just after stir frying, around 20 to 30 minutes after the flavors haven't fused yet. You have to wait until the first hour to get a clue of how it would taste like. I've already discarded the cinnamon barks, and it's been boiling for around 2 hours simmering, and we are ready, as I said earlier, to add the spinach. I don't usually add this, it's an option, but I want this to be a balanced diet with greens, with vegetables, not just meat. I just cover it and allow the steam to cook the vegetables. Forgive me, but I forgot something. Saffron or an alternative. I should have added this earlier. Ooh. Forgive me. I was just too excited. I hope it still does wonders to the dish. It's a very important ingredient when cooking Mediterranean dishes. And extending to the Middle East. It doesn't take long for the spinach to cook. We can serve it now. Look at this. Look at this. Our very own Middle Eastern meatballs. And I'll be serving this with Basmati rice. Make it today, try it, and it will enrich your cuisine. You know, I also forgot. We need to add, well, it's an option, to add cilantro or coriander when serving it. And I'm doing it now. It's not too late for the complete experience. Sorry, I forgot. It's not too late. Let's resume.